As you can tell, we need a good cleaning, so that's what I'm gonna do today. So I'm gonna show you what I'm done, what this place looks like. Might not even recognize it. So excited. So I bought these containers from, I took just the box out. I bought these containers from Amazon, and you can like write things that are in there for storage. So I'm gonna show you a little sneak peek of the, let me open this window some more. It looks kind of nice out today. Don't you love when I put the camera this close to my face? Yeah, nice outside. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys a little sneak peek of my cabinets. Who doesn't love like the feeling of organization? Raise your paw, because I do. I for damn sure do. But I'm not done cleaning. I have to charge my phone because it just told me 20% life, so it's not gonna work out for me today. So I'm gonna start cleaning, and I will see you guys in a minute. Good morning. It's not really morning. It's like 3:16. And today is Monday. So I'm gonna be doing like a week in my life, or what do they call that? You know what I'm talking about. Like a week in my vida. No, I don't know what it's called. Well, we're gonna do that. So I'm just gonna keep a little tracking because I have a little bit of things I'm gonna be doing today. Like I'm going to Target now, and then I am doing something with my daughter. But this week I'm closing on my house, so I'm so excited. I will do an empty house tour. That'll be a completely separate video, but I will kind of insert a little bit of some in this like week in my life type thing. But yeah, so we're gonna do that. Go to Target, get some formula, and then so then I'm gonna be busy for the rest of the night pretty much, and we should cook some dinner today. I think we're gonna go figure it out. I gotta go grocery shopping for sure because I need more lunch meat and stuff for lunches because my daughter's gonna take lunch and I need to take lunch. I've been literally spending so much money on eating out. Like my coffee is like $3, like it is what it is from Dunkin', but shit, when you do not eat from home, it is so expensive. What are you looking at, Puta? Okay, anyway, you guys, I'm gonna finish driving and not get in a little wreckage. And yeah, so I'm just gonna finish driving and I will talk to you guys probably when I get to Target. If not, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.